Hi, Claudia here. Today I'm gonna start a mini album for Christmas, and I'm gonna use the inside from G-45. I use the box, and I'm gonna create the cover and the spine for this album. And this is the paper that I'm gonna use. It is so beautiful, and when I say it is beautiful, I don't say at all. It's very, very beautiful paper. Is from G-45. I want you to know I don't have any discount code to give it to you. You just need to go to G-45 and buy it. But look at that. I think it's fabulous. So let's start with the cover. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place my sides. Let me make sure that I'm in the right. Yes, this is the right one. Okay. And what I like to do is I like to give some space. So usually what I do is I put the same chipboard that I'm using it just to make sure. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little piece of double-sided tape. That is not going to be enough. I just wanted to stop the part from moving, and I don't want to. I'm going to put it in the center because usually in the center is where I put my decoration. So if it comes from the other side, you will not see it. This is I don't know, flower paper. The lady that made this paper, she's in UK. If I found the store, I'm sure it's Etsy store. If I found it, I will share with you in the description box. If not, you can just look for handmade paper, and there is a very big market, so you can pick whatever you like. And so let me add my parts. I like to leave some space. I picked the wrong place too. There is a flower there. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna move it a little bit up. Because otherwise it's going to be hard for me. There is a bump there. So when I leave the space, it's just to be able to fold the book without breaking the paper, or at least that is the idea. So let's see if I can do it right at the first time. Okay. And it will be nice if I can cover the whole thing. Let's see what happened when we fold it. Perfect, nothing happened. Okay, so let's put glue. I'm going to put the glue on this side. And remember the inside is gonna be covered too. So, but I like to see when you put something on top, you will see the paper down there. He wants to move a little bit, but I don't want it to move it. So okay. And now so now here, oops, we have to cut the extra and from one side end to the other. From here, here, here. So how you doing? Are you ready for Christmas? I was ready on January, so we have a lot of things to do and we just hope that we can do it. Okay. We have to be generous with the glue. Now we're gonna do the corners just to try to have, you know, a very nice corner without being too bulky. And let's see. Okay, so it seems like we made it. Now, what I'm going to do is when I finish with the rest of the book, I'm going to put some lace here just to protect. And here, well, here you don't gonna see it because it's going to be covered with paper, but you know. So we have the cover ready, and the cover I used was the book that was already made, and this is 5 by 5, I think so. And so it has some pocket and flip and page, and this one is another pocket up here, and so this one is going to be glue here like this, and then I'm going to cover with Christmas paper here. But this one has to dry first. We're gonna put it here. And let's see, I think this is a beautiful piece for the front. And we have in this collection, we have 3 of each. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take 1 of each, and I will move from there, because look at beautiful. And they are double-sided, so sometimes the back is as beautiful as the front, and it's very hard to just keep one. And this is the front. Okay, so let's see let's see the back, just in case there is anything special or over special. So cute. Oh, look at this. Those are what I call lacy tags, because they are ready. And okay, so